howl like someone skimped on the meat of the sandwich.
Yeah.
Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong horse. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra cut honey on the side.
I said I feel invisible. It's 100 niggas in the spot. I won't protect. It's 85 just to walk.
And we'll be waiting for him.
Cause
a lot of these niggas be
corny. I'm feeling horny. And I shoot like Robert Horry. I'm off this percolated shit. I got a percolated bitch. I give it a percolated dick.